Let's see how to write text in different shapes in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's go ahead and insert some shapes. Let's go ahead and insert a few rectangles, maybe some circles, or even other types of shapes, such as this flowchart or stored data, for example. Now let's just move it around. Now let's say that you want to type in your text here. So let's first change the shape format. Now let's remove the shape fill so we can see our text. Now to write your text, simply click on the shape and type in your text. And as you'll notice, although our text has been typed in, it is not visible. And that is because Microsoft Word has its default set to the color white. Now to change your font color, simply click right here, change it to red, for example, and you'll see that you have already typed your text inside of the shape. Now, for more customizable options, what you can do is click on the insert. Now click on text box, and let's go ahead and insert a simple text box. Now, let's remove the outline on this text box and remove the shape fill as well. Now we can go ahead and type in our text. And for example, you would like to insert another part of your text here at the bottom. And that is how you can type in text inside shapes in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.